Hello, thank you for checking out Mr. Ware's videos. And today we're looking at the substitution method for a system of equations, and this is level 2. Level 2. So let's begin. Alright, so here on this problem, what we want to do is try to solve for x and then substitute back in and find y. So we got to set up everything so that everything equals, there's nothing but one variable term in there, but we can't just do it all willy-nilly. We have to put what's supposed to be what, where, right? So we have on here where y is equal to 7x. And we also have a y inside here. So what we're going to do is, as I zoom in here, is I'm going to rewrite this the second one here, x minus 7, I'm going to put a parentheses here, that's y, is equal to negative 48. Okay? So what I'm going to do is plug in or substitute this y with 78. Okay, so now I'm plugging in not 78 but 7x. So now I'm plugging in 7x here. Okay, so now the whole thing has nothing but x in it, so I can solve and get an actual number. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm going to distribute here this negative 7 times 7. That's going to mean x negative times a positive is negative. 7 times 7 is 49. X is equal to negative 48. Alright? Don't forget you got understood 1 here. We're going to combine like terms. And that's going to get us a negative 48 is equal to 48x is equal to negative 48. Now finally I'm just going to divide by negative 48 on both sides, and x is equal to a positive 1. Alright, so now that that's taken care of, we've got the x. The x is 1. So now we're going to continue to substitute, and I'm going to erase this here so you can see what I'm doing with it. I'm going to put this 1 in for x because it's x, right? And I'm just going to write it right over here. I'm going to say y is equal to 7x, right? And that's 7, y is equal to 7 times whatever x is. X is 1. So I plug in 1. And then y is equal to 7 times 1, which is 7. And then that's my coordinates right there. Okay? And this is similar to what we did before when we was finding solutions of linear functions by graphing and see where they cross. If we was to graph both of these, where they would cross at is at 1, 7. So it's the same thing. But that's it. That is substitution, level 2. I want to thank you for checking out Mr. Ware's videos. Have a nice day.